This is the GameSir X2. It's the #1 accessory if you're into mobile gaming, or in fact any kind of gaming. It's going to make a really good Christmas present for that niece, nephew, son, daughter, or even just yourself. Go on, treat yourself, you know you want it. This is what we're going to look at today in this video and see if it's worth buying and tell you all about it. So in the box, it comes nicely packaged, and it comes with a case, this really handy case for all your accessories that are in the box with this. Elastic there, so it's going to fit in there nicely, and you can carry this around with you. Nice hard case as well, really good quality. It comes with extra grips for the thumb controls, and you can keep those in your little bag. And there's a bunch of instructions, a couple of stickers in there from GameSir. Really appreciate that, so we're going to keep those in there as well. It's really nice and light. There's no battery in here to weigh it down, and we'll touch on that in just a little while. As you can hear, the buttons are nice and clicky on the triggers, which is going to be perfect if you're like a PUBG player or a Call of Duty. And again, something else we'll talk about later on. It comes in 3 different versions. A Lightning version for iOS users, it comes with Android, a USB-C version, and it comes with just a Bluetooth only version if that's how you prefer to play. So you're covered. Whatever device you've got is going to fit in here. I've got the iPhone 13 Pro, so I've got the Lightning version, and even if you've got the Max, it fits in here. It's spring loaded, fits any phone up to 173mm. Now, like I said, there's no battery in this. It's actually powered by your phone's device. That's how it works. So the Lightning adapter here is a really cool thing. It actually moves up and down as well. So I was thinking when I was putting my phone in here that I was going to have to sort of put it in that way and squeeze it in. No, this adapter is like that. So you just sort of find it and it bends up with your phone. That's a really good feature. It's not going to snap off. So if you do sort of accidentally pull it out, it's not going to snap. You're covered there. It doesn't take much battery at all. It's got a very low power consumption, but if you're worried about the battery draining on your phone, you can actually charge the phone while it's docked in here with USB-C plug there as well. So you're covered for charging all day gaming. It's your typical layout of buttons, very familiar if you're into gaming at all, and it's got the 2 triggers on the top, like I said, very clicky. For shootout games, that's particularly helpful. 2 thumb controllers there, different menu buttons, and this button here is one I really liked when I was doing the racing game. It's a screenshot button, so you can double click that, and wherever you are in the game, it'll take a screenshot of your gameplay to share on social media or anything like that. So we can just fit it in here like so, and then I've been playing this with Call of Duty. It works with all of the games that I've downloaded so far. I did Geometry Light, I did Call of Duty, and I did a game called #Drive. I tried it with all these games, and it just worked really well. Connected straight away because you plugged into the Lightning port, so it just works. There's a little green light there to say that it's connected to the device, and you're away. Really nice to play, really nice and clicky, really nice and light, so you can play Call of Duty Mobile here. I'm going to get really good. And even if you're not into gaming, I'm not a massive gamer. I used to be back in the day when Call of Duty first came out, Black Ops. In my 30s, moving on to my 40s soon, getting old. I know. I just haven't really had time, especially with doing YouTube videos, to play games. But this, I'm going to take around with me. It's so light and portable. I'm going to take this to work with me, and if I want to play games, I'm going to keep it in my bag and whip it out, and I'm going to click away and play a bit of Call of Duty. So if you want to grab one of these for your niece, nephew, son, daughter, or even for yourself, there will be a link in the description down below, and it's priced at $69.99 here in the UK. I presume it's going to be similar in dollars as well. There's only one downside using it with the iPhone 13 Pro that I've found. Because these camera modules are so chunky, when you put it in here, I'll show you quickly, it just sort of gets caught up on that bit there and doesn't quite sit flush on the controller. It still holds it in there. You've got the rubber catchment area on the left hand side, so it still holds it in there. It's not going to fall out, and it's still connected fine. But that with the new iPhone, because the camera module is so chunky, it does sort of catch on there. But that's the only negative that I can see. Well, that's the GameSir X2, really cool product, available on Amazon at the moment, $69.99. There will be a link, like I said, in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. New uploads every single week. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.